What is up, guys? My name is Dissemble, and today I have a special video for you guys. I am going to be disassembling this broken keyboard. It's old keyboard. I got it about 5 years ago and it doesn't work anymore, so I'm gonna take it apart. I want to see what's inside of it, and I'm gonna do it on tape. So if you enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like. Let me know down below what you want me to do next. I think I have everything I'll need. If I need more stuff, I will go get it in a minute. Let's get started. So I want to do this the smart way, kind of, because I don't know if this stuff is like trackable or anything. I kind of want to do this the smart way, so I'm going to start by unscrewing these little screws right here. These things are like jammed in. It's going to take a while. It's a little time lapse to start. So I feel this is gonna be a fun video. I don't know if you guys like it. I don't know what else I have to unscrew. And this last one right here. This one's giving me trouble earlier. Let me see if I can. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you leave a like down below. Tell me what you want me to assemble next. Taking out the final screw. All the screws are here, and we are in the circuit board right now. Okay, I'm back, guys. I realized that my face was on camera because I need, so I am talking through a mask. Yay, you can see my mask. Good job, good for you. Anyways, right here, I don't know what this is exactly, but it looks pretty cool. It looks important. And I don't know what all of this stuff is right here. I'm gonna try to take this off. I see there's a little tape right here. And then on the bottom, this looks like a protective layer for, like, these things feel like keys. And then these are the keys right here. So this is pretty cool. I'm going to take this right here, cut it open, see what's inside. Oh, this isn't even a case. What the fuck am I doing? There's a screw. Screwdriver. Okay, so this right here, I don't know what this is. Oh, this is coming off. Oh, there's some more fucking screws. If my channel was Smosh, I would smash the hell out of this thing. Okay, so looks right here. I don't know, this looks like some kind of mapping for the keyboard. Like, I'm sure if you line this up, the keys would go where these hotspots are. I'll put this aside. And, I don't know what's gonna be here. I'm hoping I don't get, like, electrocuted or anything. But, this is metal. It looks like this is the foundation that holds the keyboard together. It has a little hole. I don't know exactly what these holes are for. I think they signify something. This is decent scrap metal, probably could be sold for a bit. Put this aside. This is the last part of the keyboard. Here's some more metal. I don't know exactly what this is for. And this is the, looks like this is the circuitry. This is either the back of the computer right here. If I can actually get this out, I might have to cut it. I'll be careful. I get this off. I don't think I need this right now. This looks like, yeah, this is the chart. This is the cord that connects to the PS2 adapter. I don't know if any of you kids have ever seen this. Me too, but this thing used to be really popular. I'm gonna put it here on camera. Surprise! But if you look in here, try and hold it up to the lens, you can see I don't know if it's focusing or not. Okay, so here is the, I don't know, I'll take a picture of this after the video. If it's not showing up, I'll pop it up on screen. But these are the cords that run the computer. That's not going to be used much anymore. And I can probably take this wire, I want to put it, oh, that's camera for me. Oh, I got this thing out. So this looks like basically the brain of this entire operation. I don't know if cutting it is gonna like electrocute me, so I'm gonna go grab some gloves. I'm gonna try to cut it from right here. The main wires are. Where did I unplug this thing? Ooh, let's fix it. Maybe the exact one might be better for this. Okay, that just came undone like that. That's easier than I thought. So right here we have the motherboard, so to speak, of the computer. This is the thing that controls the keyboard. When you press the button, this is what will cause it to actually do stuff. And it's pretty cool actually. This is the reason why I did this. We have some interesting numbers on the back right here. That's gone. This thing. This is basically just the backing of it with all the fucked up keyboard, fucked up cords. I don't need that. And then I didn't really go over this part. This is gonna be interesting. This is the actual keys. I think I can like dislodge them one by one. I don't need these gloves anymore. But if you can't see, this is what the back of the keyboard looks like. I'm gonna see if I don't know how to dislodge these. Be cool. This is the keyboard. Okay, stress this stuff right now. This is the motherboard I was talking about, but without gloves on. Has a bunch of functions. These are the lights. And this looks like the battery actually. I think it's the battery, and this is the circuits. This thing right here is what holds it up. Just feel of it. This, I don't know what this is. It looks like some mapping thing. Maybe an outline for the keyboard. Protects the keys from getting damaged. These are the keys. Obviously, I got the keys. I'll come up with everything else. Well, that's about it. Oh man, that mask is so freaking hot. I'm probably gonna be cutting a lot, speeding some of stuff up. You know, I'm a time lapse kind of guy. I'm gonna turn off this. Gotta get cleaned up. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Dissemble. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like, comment right down below, tell me what you want me to do. I will be glad to get some videos out right away. I hope you have a great day. Dissemble out. Peace.